Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade pickled jalapenos. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including crisp jalapenos, vinegar, water, salt, and a touch of sugar. Then, I'll guide you through preparing the peppers and crafting a perfectly balanced, flavorful brine. Finally, we'll cover the essential steps for sterilizing your jars and safely preserving your delicious creation, ensuring they last for many months. Get ready to enjoy a zesty, spicy treat. First, carefully slice your fresh jalapenos into uniform rounds, about 1/4 inch thick, for consistent pickling. Next, in a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 2 cups of water, forming the base of our pickling liquid. Stir in 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, ensuring all the salt and sugar completely dissolve, creating a perfectly balanced and flavorful brine. Now, carefully pack the sliced jalapenos tightly into your clean, hot pint jars, leaving a little room at the top. Pour the hot brine over the peppers, ensuring you leave exactly 1/2 inch of headspace from the rim. Use a non-metallic utensil to gently remove any trapped air bubbles from the jars. Finally, wipe the jar rims clean, center new lids, and apply the rings, tightening them to just fingertip tight for a secure seal. After sealing, let your jars cool undisturbed at room temperature for a full 24 hours. Once cooled, store your homemade pickled jalapenos in a cool, dark pantry, where they will maintain their quality for up to 1 year. For the absolute best flavor development, we recommend waiting at least 2 weeks before opening your first jar. Once opened, refrigerate and enjoy these zesty peppers on all your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.